All right, I'm back. I'm back with part 2. This is part 2 of our rub-on transfer tryout making Christmas gifts. These are the transfers, the rub-on transfers that I purchased from Dollar Tree. They look like this in the package, so it's really hard to know what you're getting. I kind of had the idea I was getting something bigger. It's really not that big. It is this this size. So it is 9 by 8, I think. Yep, 9 by 8. They all seem to be very detailed, and that's about it. They say on the back that it transfers onto wood, metal, fabric, and canvas. So we're trying all of those mediums out to see whether or not they really transfer well. So this is part 2. So if you missed the first video, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Please go back and click on that and see how that came out, because some things came out well and some things did not. And I think I forgot to say, welcome to my channel. This is Millie with Crafting in My PJs. You are here at part 2 of our transfer. Okay, so if you like these kinds of crafts where they're simple, easy, quick, no artistic talent required, those kinds of crafts, you're in the right place. And if you like Dollar Tree, then you're definitely in the right place, because most, not all, but most of my crafts come from Dollar Tree. So consider giving the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and let's not waste any more time. We're going to get down to the table, and we are going to do glass, and we're going to do 2 wooden pieces. All right, so let's get back to our Christmas gifts using the Dollar Tree rub-on transfers. All right, so in part 1, the first video, I showed you the different rub-on transfers that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These were fairly new. I've not seen these before. They came kind of large in the package, though they're really not very big. And it's really hard to see what comes in the package. Like these flowers right here, it's only a half a sheet. So it's really strange. And then these were assorted words. So this is what we're using to finish out our projects. So I didn't know what to do with these half of flowers. I mean, I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to be. Like, I don't know. I don't know where you would put those. I would have liked a whole flower. So I thought, well, let's be a little quirky and let's give this a try. Now, because it's a flower, I can actually put it on the back of the trivet because it doesn't have words, so there's no front and back. You know, right side, left, wrong side. Now, the only thing I do have is I have these feet. So I'm popping the feet off temporarily, but then I'm going to E6000 them back on. So let's see if I can get them all off. That's 2. Here, just stick to my board. This is why I have no fingernails. 3 and 4. And now I'm very happy because it is... See, I think I want to, because it is smooth, so I'm going to do like, oh, I'm doing on the end. I forgot what I was going to do. So I think it takes care of where things are missing. So we're putting that one there, and then I'm going to come back and put this one here. They'll overlap slightly, but I think it'll be okay. And I am not going to tape this down. Am I not going to tape this down? Maybe I should tape this down. But I'm going to put the tape where the design is not. There we go. All right, so look at that. Now, would you put the other one on or just leave this like this? It's really cute. I don't know. I'm going to put the other one on just so we see the effect. So now, so if you see a place you missed, you can go back and, especially on a smooth surface like this, you can go back and redo. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one on this side, and it'll take me a few minutes, but let's see how this looks. Okay, so you can tell by looking at the back when most of the ink has transferred, and then if you pull it carefully and you look and you see a spot that maybe you didn't quite get, you can put it right back down. If you've got it stabilized in some way, you can put it right back down and rub over it again. All right, there you go. There are our plants. I kind of like this a lot. Oh, sorry. All right, so now I am going to put the feet back on, and I really should put them on with some E6000. Though I think we're pretty good. Just like that. If you want to, there we go. Look how cute. Look how cute. And if you want to seal the back, you can. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. All right, so we've already done the glass. You saw how that came out. And now we're going to work on this piece of board. In the very first video, part 1, I showed you this was a Dollar Tree product. It's on the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. So this was $3. I can peel this off now. It comes with 2 hangers, and it was unfinished. So I did take some Minwax stain, and this was in, it's semi-transparent, and it's golden oak. I didn't want anything too dark, but I didn't want the natural wood. I wanted it to have a little finish to it. All right, and so what I really wanted to put on this piece was this Family Affirmations transfer. So we're going to put this down. I'm going to try and straighten this out. Make sure we're even. It's almost like literally a perfect size for this piece. Okay, bringing you closer so you can see. The trick to doing, man, my hands, my arms, what a workout. the trick to doing this is, number one, use some sort of tape to stabilize. Number two, start in like a corner and work your way over in case things shift. All right, so let's look. And you can see on the paper, if you're watching, you can see when the print has moved over to the whatever it is you're putting it on. Okay. Let's lift up. There you go. Oh, wait, right here. The smoother the surface, I find the easier. Okay. Family affirmations. All right, so now we are going to decorate a little bit up here, but at the moment, I want to move on to our next one because both of those are going to require, okay, my glue gun's still heating up, still hot. Both of those are going to require a little bit of extra decorating. So, all right, so for this one, we are testing out putting transfers onto this faux painted type board. You find them at all over the place at Dollar Tree. All right, so there you go. Everything's transferred. Now, let's see, I have to keep some of these are still good. All right, so now I am going to find my decorating pieces for up here, and I'll be right back. All right, there you go. We have a little bit of greenery, a little bit of flowers. I'll take you a little closer. There we go. Our words, I think our words could be bigger, but you know, and then just some greenery and these little, I think I might add one more little styrofoam, these styrofoam balls. I need one more little set in there. And there you go. Beautiful. I think they came out great. All right, so what's the rule? What's the what's the verdict on, here's our trivet that we made too. What's our rules so far? I mean, our verdict so far. Okay, so the rub-ons work reasonably well if you have a smooth surface. It takes time, it takes stabilizing, it takes a little bit of work, it takes a little bit of muscle. But as long as you do that, they work okay. They're not 100%, like you can see there's little spots maybe, but that's okay. All in all, they weren't bad. The only thing I did not like working with them on was the fabric. And, you know, that's doable. I can just not put them on fabric. I mean, it's as simple as that, right? All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, again, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Any comments in the comment section below. Love to hear. Have you worked with these rub-ons, these transfers before from Dollar Tree? And what was your opinion? All right, that's it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye.